Parking mode on.
Everyone, welcome back. Wish I was making a better video. I wish I had a clickbait at this point, just because it's one of those things. It sucks, but it could be worse. Main thing is, it wasn't X. I mean, Lexi wasn't in the car. It wasn't like a big car crash, and she wasn't hurt or anything. Like, she had just went to literally just left the car. I think 2 minutes later. Anyway, yeah, the X5 got hit, unfortunately. And I was thinking, oh, maybe it's just a scratch, because she told me something might back into it. Luckily, a witness was able to capture the license plate, which is good. And they said it was, two ladies, but they didn't stop. They didn't leave a note. And I was like, how did that know? So they had a picture of the car. Lexi's like, maybe there wasn't a big impact. Maybe it was just small. And I was like, I don't know. I mean, it looks like it could be a bigger impact. I got home, looked at it, and this before I saw dash cam footage. I said, babe, this is a hard impact, because the bumper made impact with the tailgate. The tailgate looks like it's out of whack. At first, I was thinking I should do this myself, but I told her to call the police, do 911, just to get a report. Because you never know. If it was just paint work, if it was a scuff, I might have been like, don't even bother. But the advanced electronics of these cars. That things can happen. I don't know. I don't want to take chances of what could be there. So let me open the garage, and we'll look at the damage now. Of course, it's a bit crazy windy outside. They hit it so hard, broke the light here. Got this. Did he? Apologize, it's really windy. This is a nice gouge in here. And then right there, you see how, I don't know, it just looks a little misaligned. It doesn't even feel flush anymore against the, like there's an edge on here now. See my hand, how it drops across. So it's definitely.
Have you tried to open the tailgate at all yet?
I have not. So the good thing was, like I said, you went in the car, or it could be a lot worse. I mean, we could be looking at more. This is cracked.
Yeah, the other pieces are inside the car of
that part. Yeah, that's.
No, there was another piece. Oh, it must have been her taillight. I picked up like 5 or 6 pieces of taillight off the ground. It must have been hers, because you're only missing
a little tiny
one
piece.
Little chip. That piece didn't fall off.
No.
But I put it inside.
But yeah, you can see
DNA.
Yeah, I know, right? Car DNA.
Car DNA.
See how they met at one point.
Yep.
This looks off too.
Yeah, a little bit. Not much though.
No.
If you stand back here.
Yeah. Let's see. That right there is a little edge. But I'll show you the clip in this video.
Felt like a tank.
No. Lexi hasn't seen the video yet, so I'm gonna show her a video inside. And the thing was, she parked away from everybody else, and some people always find it.
Followed all the rules.
Yeah, it seems like no matter what you do to get away from people, they find you. Like I said, it's a different story. Yeah, it's a different story if the person left a note, left their information. Hey, sorry, this happened. I did this. We could have talked about it. I wouldn't have called the police. We could have worked it out. Even if they say, hey, look, I don't have the cash, I would have worked something out. I wouldn't have been like, hey, you're gonna pay, you're gonna pay, you're gonna pay. We're gonna split the pay. You know what? What can you do? What can you do? I'm a reasonable person to deal with. But this is unacceptable. And you can't, after you see this clip, they're gonna say there's no freaking way they didn't feel that. Because I would have felt that. You can see how the actually be rocked a little bit. So let's go that.
Parking mode off. An impact was detected during parking mode.
Hey, my love, I have a photo for you. An old lady backed into your car.
Parking mode on.
Hello?
Someone backed into the X5.
Parking mode off.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. This girl just came out of the office right next to where I get my waxing done, and she took a picture of the license plate. She said it was a little old lady, but the lady saw it and took off. So she gave me the picture of the license plate in the car, but it busted a piece of the taillight off, and there's a pretty big gash on the back of the car.
Damn it.
Do you want me to take a picture now, or do you want me to take a picture when I get home?
Call the police.
Okay.
Old ladies in the car, you said?
That's what she told me, yeah.
Another thing I noticed is here in his tailgate. It's nearly flush here. On this side, there's an edge. So I don't know which one is correct. All right, so a few things here. Still waiting for the police report. I just hate going through the police like this, and I hate because right now it's going to show up on my Carfax on the car. It's going to show that the car was, I don't know how they're going to word it, but it may say impact or damage reported. You know, that's going to affect resale value, unfortunately. So I have that issue. The next one, let me know in the comments if you've been in a situation like this before, let me know your situation and what the outcome was, because I'm trying to decide what to do. Obviously, if it was just her insurance company, I probably would have went through that route. Maybe I should just go that route and just wait for the police report. I'm kind of guessing around $2,000 damage. Let me know your guess of how much damage it is. I haven't had an estimate yet, so we'll see. And also let me know in the comments, should I go through her insurance company or should I go through mine and then have mine go after hers for reimbursement? Like I said, new situation, never been to something like this before. I wish she just stopped, wish she just left a note or something. But then again, if she did, you know, it could have been a bogus note. It could have been more issues later down the road. Good thing is Lexi wasn't in the car. It wasn't like it was a hard impact, like the car was destroyed or anything. But it was definitely, if your smile was in there, that would have been a nice little jolt, because you can see on the video where it rocked, and then even when her car moved away from it, the X5 kind of settled back into its position. So we'll see.